adventurers to Study Mates, the podcast that's your secret weapon for conquering the academic world. I'm Sanvi.
And I am Kashvi. We are absolutely thrilled to have you join us another episode brimming with insights, strategies, and real world wisdom. It helps you not just survive but also thrive in your studies.
Exam season is looming, and we all know that things can get little intense. So, in this episode, we are diving deep into the exam preparations. We are not just talking about the rote memorization, we are going beyond the basics and exploring the effective learning of cutting edge.
Exactly. We will be uncovering some seriously powerful study strategies, exploring how to maximize your study time, even chatting about the crucial importance of maintaining mental health and physical well being during this period. Think of this episode as your ultimate exam prep survival kit and complete with all the tools you need to succeed.
We will be hearing from the students who have not only aced their exam preparations but also discovered the joy of learning the secrets to success, and getting their advice on how to stay focused, motivated, and inspired. Get ready to be empowered on those to take exam preparations with unwavering confidence.
So grab your headphones, your favorite drink foods, and let's get started. Let's make the exam prep a journey of discovery and achievement. So let's introduce our students. Arpita from class 8B, Anushka from class 8A, Yashi from class 8A, Abhay from class 8A, Ankur from class 8B, Samrat from class 8B.
Now let's hear from the students how they are feeling about their upcoming annual examinations and has their study routine changed. Yashi, can you begin with the answer?
I'm nervous of my upcoming annual examinations. Yes, my study routine has changed. I'm giving more times to my weak subjects. I have prepared a timetable. From 5 to 6 I am studying maths and 6 to 8 I am studying SST because SST is difficult for me. Samrat, can you add on to this?
My study routine has been changed and also I am feeling little bit nervous for the upcoming examinations. When I go from school to my home, I study SST because SST is little bit difficult for me, and also computer I study from 7 to 8.
Samrat, I have something more to add on this. I am very nervous and but confident at the same time for my upcoming annual examinations. Yes, my study routine has changed. Now I am giving more time to the subjects which I feel is hard for me. Like SST, I am giving more time to SST to learn history and the names of our rulers, and giving more time to solve the practicing the problems in maths. Abhay, can you share how you're managing your study times for different subjects?
Yes, Kasvi, I have arranged my time like this. I am giving 1 hour for each subject, and in weekend time I am giving more time to physics and maths because they are difficult for me.
Anushka, can you tell how you stay focused while studying? And can you share some tips especially for younger students?
Yes, Sanvi. To stay focused while study, I find quiet and comfortable place because I can't study if too much noise is there. During my study session, I take short break because I can't study continuously.
I have some more tips to add on this for younger students. Actually, how I focused on my studies is that I need a quiet place from where all the electronic devices like mobile, television and computers should be away because I feel they can distract me from my studies. And even though in my home construction work is going on, I am trying best to stay focused on my studies and score maximum marks in my exams. Yashi, can you tell me what helps from teachers do you find the most useful for exam preparation?
Teachers help us a lot for good marks and they are motivating us. They are giving continuous revisions and they are giving notes in simple language.
Arpita, you always score good marks in the examination. So, can you share your top tips for succeeding in a difficult subject?
Tips which I follow for succeeding in difficult subjects are writing down the key points of the chapter, revising again and again, writing down the short notes solving the problems in maths and being thorough with the concepts of the chapter.
I will say how I study my difficult subjects. I am studying my difficult subjects by giving more time to them, and compared to other subjects, reading loudly will help us to learn the answers, and for math I am always writing and learning.
Let's talk about exam stress and how to stay positive. The main thing that I am doing to reduce my stress is writing diary before sleeping. And in my free time, I am doing dance to reduce my stress. So every time doing dance is not possible, so I am eating chocolates. Uncle, can you share your thoughts?
I personally don't feel any stress as I have already revised my portion, and whenever I feel stressed I used to play badminton as I like badminton.
Sanvi, can you share what positive changes have you noticed in yourself since joining our school?
Yes, Kasvi. Here I have learned to speak English well. I learned many sports such as cricket, kho and all. And now I have the ability to learn big things. I personally felt some huge changes in myself.
Since joining this school, I felt some of the changes inside me. The changes are I learned how to speak English fluently, and also I am now disciplined and learn how to play football.
Positive change which I noticed in myself since joining this school is my confidence has increased. I have developed new skills.
Anushka, how have you grown or changed since joining our school?
Since joining the school, I have likely undergone to the significant changes, improved in academic performance. I have developed a better study habit, time management, communication skills, and understanding of various subjects.
How would you describe your time at the school overall?
I am very grateful for being a student of this school. I am very grateful to our teachers who are very friendly with us, and I really thank this school to give me the best memories with my friends.
That's wrap on another episode of Study Mates. A huge thank you to our incredible student guests who have shared their insightful and inspiring stories.
We hope you find their experience relatable and their tips practical. Remember, effective exam preparation is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about finding what works best for you, staying consistent, and prioritizing your mental and physical well-being.
Whether it's mastering time management, finding innovation, study techniques, or simply believing in yourself, you have the power to succeed. Don't be afraid to reach out to your teachers, classmates, or even us to here at Study Mates for support. We are a community of learners and lifting each other up.
And remember, exams are just one stepping stone on a path to greatness. They don't define you or your potential. Focus on learning, growth, and celebrating your achievements, small or big. Every milestone deserves recognition.
That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning into Study Mates. We wish you all the very best as you embark on your exam preparations journey.
Go out there, shine brightly, and remember, you have got this. We are cheering you in every step of the way.